Mukhwas or mouth fresheners are an integral part of our parties and get-togethers. On a daily basis, we always like to pop in a little bit of fennel seeds in our mouth so that it takes away from the spices and the curry taste. I'm showing you a quick and easy recipe to make your parties very interesting. These are chocolate mukhwas, and I'm going to show you how to make it in all the three different varieties of chocolate: dark chocolate, white chocolate, and milk chocolate. Let's see how to make this. Milk chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. These are about 11-ounce packets, and we're going to make a mukhwas, chocolate mukhwas for after party. Let's prep the tray in which we're going to set it. So this is a baking sheet, and this is a 9 by 13 baking sheet, and I'm just going to put a wax paper on it, a parchment paper, and keep this ready. Take a microwave safe bowl, add the chocolate chips. We'll do one at a time, and to this I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave for about a minute till it becomes nice and smooth. This is a little bit of mukhwas mix that I have. So you can find many different kinds in the market. I've just mixed few of them just to make it look colorful. I was heating the chocolate chip cookies for about 30 seconds interval for about 2 minutes now, and you can see how nicely it has melted. The coconut oil in it gives a very silky texture, and this is how you want it. Mix well till all the chocolate chips break down and makes a smooth paste, a chocolate paste, just like how we have it for the fondues. So just mix like so, and if you think it's hardening quickly, just heat it up for another 30 seconds. I've heated it for another 30 seconds, and it should be like this, nice and silky. It should form ribbons when you pour it down. Now in the lined baking sheet, just pour the chocolate mix like so, and I'm going to do this on 1/2 of the sheet. So try to, it doesn't have to be very particularly a rectangle or a square, but just make sure you do it on 1/2, because on the other half I'm going to melt the other milk chocolate. So put this and just spread it around like so. Since it's still warm, it'll spread really well, and try to spread it as evenly as you can. Try to bring it to the edges so that you can have a nice corner to cut like so. Once you have this edge neatly done, take the mukhwas and sprinkle all over the top. So this has those colorful mukhwas, it has the jeera, it has the dry pan, all those, and I've just mixed everything together so that a little bit in each bite. So like so. So just mix it and sprinkle. It looks really pretty. So just keep it like this. In the same bowl, add the milk chocolate chips. Again, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we'll heat it up again for 2 minutes with 30 seconds interval. It's been about 2 minutes, and you can see that the chocolate chips are melting nicely, but it's not fully done yet. So I'm going to go back and put it in the microwave for another 1 more minute. You can see that the chocolate has melted really well. Now don't worry about the white chocolate. They will all mix in, and it'll all be a nice milk chocolate. So just mix it well, and I'm going to pour it on the other half of the tray. So just mix it well. Now let's put this tray in the freezer. So just before putting it in the freezer, just pat it so that it levels out and there is no higher chocolate levels, and it's all evenly spread in the tray. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer for about an hour or two till it sets well. The chocolate was setting for about 2 hours now, and I'm going to take it out and cut it. Release the paper and bring it onto a chopping board, and if you notice, the wax paper will easily just release from the chocolate. So don't take it out just yet, because otherwise it will start melting on the chopping board real quick. Now I'm going to take one of my knife and cut it right down the center so that we can start detaching the milk chocolate from the white chocolate. Now I'm trying to cut it in as many squares or rectangles as possible, but if you want to keep it abstract, you can just cut it with your hands and break it down into small pieces. And that's how easy it is to make a chocolate mukhwas. I had also made some with dark chocolate, and that is these. Now my favorite, if you ask me, will always be dark chocolate. So I have white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate mukhwas. Keep these chocolate mukhwas in the fridge till you're about to serve, because they'll melt really quick. So you don't want that to happen, and leave them on the countertop. So after your dinner and desserts are served, then you take it out and serve it and amaze your guests. Chocolate mukhwas is ready to serve. Give this recipe a try. It's very easy, and your guest will be amazed with the mouth fresheners you are serving at the end of the party. Give this recipe a try and let me know.